Hey guys, welcome back. I thought I'd do a quick beer tasting of my latest brew, my Oh Boy Pale Ale. And the inspiration for this beer is a commercial beer called Oh Brother, brewed up by Liberty Brewing here in Auckland in New Zealand. And the reason that was my inspiration, well, I was looking for a nice hoppy pale ale, but pale ale with a little bit more malt character, and instantly thought of the Oh Brother. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the details of the commercial beer, so I've sort of had to make this up from scratch. So to get a bit more malt character from the grain bill, I've used just under 75% or around 75% Maris Otter, 20% Munich, and then 5% light crystal, or you could use Caramalt instead. Then it's been hopped with Amarillo, Centennial and Zythos, which Zythos I believe is a proprietary blend of other hops, usually citrus type hops. The yeast is the Lallemand BRY 97, that's the West Coast IPA yeast. And yeah, it came out a little bit stronger at 6.3%, hence the sort of the nod to this, the name of this, Oh Boy. It's a little bit stronger than your traditional pale ale, I guess. And about 50 IBUs, and it's been in the keg for about 10 or 11 days. So yeah, so happy with that colour, nice sort of browny, sort of burnt orange colour. Poured it up about probably 10 minutes ago now, and it's holding a nice ring of head, tight creamy bubbles on top. Slowly clearing up, still a little bit murky though. So yeah, we'll get a bit of a smell of it and see what we can pick up. Hope you guys are all going well. Yeah, there's a real nice citrus, almost slightly marmalade sort of aroma. I think it's the combo of the hops and the malt sort of blend together. Yeah, almost like a touch of caramel sweetness with those sort of citrus sort of hop aromas. And a little bit of a biscuity note coming through on the malt. Yeah, yeah, marmalade-y, sort of citrusy sort of characters, which is quite interesting. Maybe more orangey, tangelo sort of citrus. Yeah, so it smells good, so we'll dive in and get a mouthful. Oh, that's good. So getting more from the malts now, so getting more of that sort of, yeah, it's caramel sweetness. The sweetness isn't too much, only 5% light crystal in there, but yeah, it's got a nice sort of biscuity sort of flavour from the malt. Yeah, the hops are coming through nicely in the flavour as well. Yeah, sort of like I said on the aroma, sort of biscuity, sorry, not biscuity, citrus, sort of marmalade-y sort of flavours, quite sort of rich citrus flavours. Quite piney and resinous as well, which is quite nice. Goes nice with that sort of malt base. Bitterness is good. You get a nice, when you take a mouthful, you get a nice sort of hit of bitterness up front. That's all tapering away. So all the bitterness I got it once again, if you've been watching my videos, I'm tending to get that from the Whirlpool only. Yeah, it's very, very happy with that. In hindsight, I should have got a bottle of the Oh Brother from Liberty, even though mine's sort of a made up recipe based on theirs beer as an inspiration. Would have been nice just to do a side by side. I may even do that quickly if I can find a bottle of the Oh Brother. Got some nice lacing as well. Yeah, pretty happy with that. Use quite a lot of hops, so if you scaled it up to a full batch, it's about 450 grams equivalent. So about a third in the Whirlpool and 2/3 in the as a dry hop of those Amarillo and Centennial and Zythos. So no, it's good. I'm not sure what else I can tell you. You can definitely, because it's got a bit more malt sort of character to it, and the flavour that's coming through on the aroma for sure. Very happy with that yeast as well, did a good job. Kicked off pretty well, and did finish about 1014 I think from memory. So it has got a nice sort of slight body to it. It's not, you know, not heaps of body, but it's got a nice slight body. Nice sort of mouthfeel as well. So yeah, all in all, happy with that. That'll go down well until I can think of the next brew. So thanks for watching, guys. It's Friday afternoon here. We're still in lockdown, so we're into week 5 of our lockdown here. Hoping next week we'll drop down a level so I can go back to work. So I haven't worked for the last 5 weeks, so it's starting to go a bit stir crazy. So yeah, hopefully get back to work and get back to some sense of normality. So yeah, anyway, enjoy your, yeah, like I say, it's Friday afternoon. Enjoy your weekend if you've been working this week, and we will catch you in the next video. Over and out. Cheers.